With the economy and the job market at an all-time low, and the current low paid, everyone needs a side hustle. If you're looking for some quick cash or a more creative opportunity, then you've come to the right place. In this video, I'm gonna show you some of the best side hustle ideas for 2022. Whether your goal is to make passive income, build your business, or start a business on the side, these ideas will help you get there faster. So, keep watching till the end. But before we start, make sure to subscribe to the channel, and turn on the notification bell. Now let's jump to the video. There are many ways to make money online, and these are just some of the better ones. You don't need to be a super genius to figure out how they're making their money, but you do need to be willing to put in a little effort. 1. E-commerce. E-commerce is a booming industry with more and more people getting into it every day. There is no doubt that e-commerce will continue to expand. E-commerce revenue in the United States is expected to reach $476 billion by 2024. There are many ways to start a successful e-commerce business. But before getting started, it is important to understand what makes a successful e-commerce business. First, you should have a clear idea of who your target audience is and what products they would like to purchase. Second, you should understand the market rate and how your product can compete with similar products on the market. Third, you need to understand the marketing strategy that will help your business succeed in this niche. Having your own e-commerce website allows you to have complete control over everything from branding to shipping and customer support. You can either construct it yourself or hire a developer, but learning about the process will help you make educated decisions so that you obtain a website that's optimized for selling your items. To build an e-commerce website, you will need to do many steps such as: select the e-commerce platform, choose developer, purchase a domain name, pick your e-commerce theme, customize your e-commerce website, add products, set up payment methods, set up shipping settings, preview, test, then publish your online store. However, there are ways that you can start and build your own e-commerce store without any hassle. There are now e-commerce solutions that do most of the work for you. One of these is Woosita. Using Woosita saves time to build your store. You can build and publish your e-commerce store with just one click within 30 seconds. Check the link below in the description to learn more about Woosita. 2. Sell ebook. Another great way to earn more money online passively is to sell an ebook. Jeff Bezos, the richest man on earth, chose books to be Amazon's first product because books are incredibly unusual in one respect, that is that there are more items in the book category than there are items in any other category by far. The growth in readership of physical books, ebooks and audiobooks in the past 1 year has been phenomenal. Another raging trend is the rapid growth in affiliate marketing. Now you can profit from the hottest and largely untapped world of book affiliate marketing on iTunes and Amazon. And it is so easy now by using of Sitebook Pro app. Sitebook Pro is a first-to-market cloud-based app that allows you to build a completely automated book affiliate website in 60 seconds. The site is loaded with 90,000 plus ebooks, physical books, and audiobooks under 130 plus categories. Click the below link to learn more about Sitebook Pro. 3. Launch an online courses. Online courses are in high demand right now. E-learning sites like Udemy, Coursera and Skillshare are booming right now. In a quickly changing economic climate, millions of people are looking to reskill and equip themselves with the knowledge they need to succeed. Forecasts put the online education market at a huge $350 billion valuation, and Udemy alone has over 55 million users. According to Facts and Figures' latest report, the global e-learning market is expected to reach $1 trillion within 5 years. Teachable content creators collectively earn $456.7 million per year. In that same span of time, Teachable creators launched over 180,000 courses and 17,000 coaching products. Now it is easy to have your own profitable e-learning platform. Flex is a brand new software that allows you to create your own e-learning website within minutes. Not just website creation, it will come fully loaded with ready-made courses so you don't need to create any. It contains 700 plus done-for-you courses in 100 hot niches with lifetime hosting for all your course sites, to start selling and making money immediately. Only 3 simple clicks are all that it will take. Click the below link to learn more about Flex. Now, if you like to make big money as a core and long-term income source, make sure to check the links in the description. In the end, if you found this video valuable, give me a big thumbs up, subscribe to my channel, and turn on the notification bell.